Crowdfunding enables victims of tragedies to get financial support from a wide group of donors, turning public appeals for help into small monetary contributions. However, what kinds of non-financial support do donors provide? And how may it also help victims? By studying the crowdfunding efforts in the wake of the mass shooting at Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School in 2018, researchers discovered that many non-financial benefits can materialize in the wake of crowdfunding efforts, expanding the notion of how crowdfunding can benefit people. In the days following the shooting, which left 17 people dead and many others injured, individuals worldwide contributed to fundraising efforts to support the shooting's victims, raising over $5 billion. But besides enabling financial contributions, crowdfunding platforms also provided an architecture that made individuals accessible to each other. This architecture allowed complete strangers to leave hopeful and loving comments for those suffering, contributing to the victims' healing processes. The social media functions of the crowdfunding platforms also enabled people to organize large marches and events where they petitioned government for gun control legislation and other protections, showing the capability of crowdfunding platforms to organize people into action. While past crowdfunding research has helped scholars understand how successful campaigns materialize, researchers now know how widespread non-financial support may also help. Wonder how crowdfunding may in fact be about more than the funding itself? If so, you may want to read this paper.